Now we need to discuss about a good topic in talent management subject, that is attracting talent. Introduction about the attracting talent. In an organization, the best talents are needed for achieving the goal smoothly. So it needed to attract the talented person by offering something beyond his imagination. There are some ways to attract the talent. Here, we should attract the talent of the employees by providing uh, good work conditions, and also we have to provide something about for something good for the employees to attract more. By those attraction, the employees are going to improve their talent and do the work with the best talent what they have. So like we should be attract them towards giving us facilities by the company, and we should also reach the imagination of the employees. Then only they can attract towards the work, towards the organization. Once they have attract the organization, they have to implement their skills effectively. In that we have a different ways to attract the talent. First one, a leadership. The new employees always want to know about their working environment, service cultures of the organization. At that time, managers should take leadership. They can speak about integrity, values, ethics, etc. of the organization. First, if you are the employees, you are working, you want to work in some organization. As for that, you have selected for that company. Then you can enter into the organization initially. At that time you feel how the company, what is the culture of the organization, what is the working environment into that company. Like you feel you want to know something about the company environment. According to the environment and service cultures of the organization, you have to mold your mind towards that. The attraction towards the work is by good facilities in the organization. And also the manager should take leadership. They can speak about integrity. That means which is important way to do the work, where you can perform well, and which is the important process in the organization. And you can, as a leader, he will explain what are the values and what is the ethics. Ethics also very important to do any of the work in the organization. And next, career growth. Building an organization structure that allows for career planning by strategy. You also have to prove that you can provide the right resources for the professional development. Once you are doing a job in the organization, the management is always provide good professional development by provide resources. If they are not able to provide any resources to do the work, you always keep calm and dumb towards your mind. When they have to provide best resources you can utilize that resources to develop yourself and develop your career also. Okay, that means the organization always provide better working condition and best resources to what we required. Then only we can prove ourselves and build the organization properly to improve the organization profits. Next, mission and purpose. Employee need to know the purpose behind the behind their work, and believe intermission. Employees have to know how company mission and purpose will give benefits to them. As an employee, you always remember what is the need of the organization, what is the need of work behind that, and what is the purpose of the work I have to do here, and what is the mission of the company, how could I complete that task, and what is the purpose the company is going to provide benefits. As for those benefits and as for those mission and vision, you always remember that I will be complete the company organizational vision, by proper mission. That is, you as an employee, you need to know the purpose behind the work, and you should believe what is the company's vision, what is the company's mission, what is the goal of the organization, and what you want to do. Like, you feel like you have to interact with your mind, and you can explain to your mind, this is the work I have to done, I will be doing in the organization to fulfill the organizational goal. Okay, next, creative thinking. Creative thinking is top management always says that there will be a creative thinking involvement. This allow them to feel connected and enjoy their work. It's leader duty to provide opportunities for creative thinking. That means the top management always says that there is a every person must be think in creative way. When you have creative way of thinking, the management is always giving a proper opportunities to particular people who has a creative thinking involvement, and the people are going to get a good promotions, so that this allows to feel concerned to enjoy their work. When we have a confidence, when we have a creative thinking, then we have to do the work with very enjoyable. Okay, it's the leader duty to provide opportunities to creative thinking, and also the leader is always going to explain to the employees, you can do yourself what you want to do in the organization, whatever decisions you have to take, you can take and you can do the work, but that's I need. Okay, like the leaders are going to encourage the people to think in the creative way. And next, problem solving. Similar to creative thinking, the autonomy to solve the problem for the company and its customers is a big attraction to new talent. When we have to face a lot of problems in any organization, not only company, in anywhere we have to face a lot of problems there. The problems are obvious thing, but how could we uh, rectify those problems, and how could we beat that, and how could we think towards solve our problem. You feel you are autonomy, you are the independent people, so how could we solve your problem as independently. And also you have to face a lot of problem in the organization, how could you solve that. The problem solving is only by proper talent. That means you have to attract the talent towards the company, towards the company problems, then only you can achieve the organizational goal. Okay, next, offer flexible benefits. In the organization provide the benefit like increased functions, contribution, child care, subsidies, company and entertainment and incentives. The talent must be attracted towards the organization. As a company, the management is always provide the benefits to the employees, because the organization, the employees are always expect something from the company. The expectation is going to reach by the organization to provide the good benefits to the employees in the terms of function, contribution of the child care, subsidies, company career, and entertainment incentives. All these are the benefits are provided by the company. It will use to improve our talent, attract our talent towards organizational goal. Okay, next, good pay structure. Pay is a primary motivator for the employee. If the organization offer high salaries, will always receive a flying candidates. Obvious, it is very much obvious thing, because when the companies are going to provide a good salary, which will be imagination of the employees, the employees, there the people are going to think, I must be complete my work, I must be do something better to develop the organization, like they have to feel. So when we have to good pay structure in our organization, they always going to do something, and they have to do the work with a very commitmently. So this is leads to the organization development. That means in the organization has to provide a higher salaries, is going to get good opportunities to the employees to fly their skills, and they have to be do the work very much attractively. Next, rewards and recognition. If the organization value the talents of the employees to and provide reward for his or her achievement, then the talents available in the market are also attract towards the organization. It is also very important thing in any organization. You just imagine they have to provide rewards and recognition when the people has to do the very good, very hard, very well work, that means hard work towards the organization goal. At that time we should recognize the people who is going to get good work and who are able to complete the task. To them we have to recognize, and by the recognition we should provide the rewards also. Okay, these are the very much obvious thing to every organization to do something for the company development. Okay, these all the things are very important for the attract the talent of the organization, attract the talent of the employees to use the organization development. Thank you very much.